To be honest, I was watching them Kobo and I say I wonder how them things does taste, right?
But I was now coming there by rather boy. You know the gun so wrong. I'm not coming to here, boy. You want to like? Like I don't know what to say.
No, lamenti. Don't mind we scrimmaging the pack here right now. But how there's been money spent. Yeah. Yeah, proper.
Type shit. I think I forgot to bring a towel, boy.
We sir.
I know studied that in us now.
We sir.
Hey.
That big suitcase if you gotta bring out of it.
Yeah.
I know them.
My mother told me to buy a suitcase, you know. I hear me to buy a suitcase. I still sleep in. She tell me part out and take another bomb. I was so rushing. I forget. I put a whole blanket and part out. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah, it's having one to brush. Toothpaste.
Brush most important. Soaping, I remember that. No.
Yeah, remember toothpaste and the brush.
Yeah.
See, I don't get love. Up on if you don't get
Put this as the name of more fat.
You try that one.
I feel very good. Big one. I use that for you. Look up for you know. If I didn't go oh, that's right. That's not to come up with charcoal toothpaste.
No, I usually charcoal. That is, I wanna try that one, you know. I think I did once, you know. I think I tried once, but I look up Colgate now, I just Colgate. I would have gone
Why look up Colgate?
Yeah, that one thing is true though. I look up Colgate.
Colgate, that's sweet toothpaste.
Yeah,
but they don't Colgate, they say I'm a hammer.
Well,
I use Colgate, that's why you're too sweet now, boy.
Oh, I think I said that.
as a pawn, the pipe. As a pawn, the pipe wash it off now. Pipe go out with your toothpaste, yeah?
Yeah, they need toothpaste, you use sweet too.
Toothpaste.
Me boycotting Colgate, but that's too sweet, you're rotten it too.
I don't even know what toothpaste I ain't gonna lie.
But that isn't because it didn't have all that taste. But one thing about it though,
I know.
you understand, and the baking soda. You understand, and when you come with tongue strong, feeling clean dog, and you're not getting that minty finish, but your tongue feeling clean for sure now, boy. You understand? You know all that minty. Don't mind we scrimmaging the pack here right now, but how there's been money spent.
Yeah.
Yeah, money to buy next one, let's see you bring it up.
Nah, I
Just man.
Regular beach pads.
Asking for a heater to go on the beach. We're gonna get up and I what was that looking? What was that looking?
Beach clothes. Boy, it's beach clothes. I have to know what's my best look. That's
Beach
all.
pants?
Yeah, I beach pants.
Yeah,
So we can do it. We can add the best.
That shit on the wheels. My beach pants, that's how we do. Well, and my little beach pants already rusted, but and then beach pants, don't worry, no, I got it. Don't worry about everything, and I should pour that little gold glasses to this. I'll peel and pour the golds today.
I'm doing this because
I'll peel and pour the golds way, Masha.
my beach pants have no pocket now, boy.
Yeah.
No, I don't have
Simple Express, boy.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh,
We mean you feel. We mean you feel.
Yeah.
You was in there, man? You was contemplating on it?
I feel like you know, take a bit. I can tell why I want this.
No, I feel he think all that we wasn't gonna be and we was just go out in that way. That's why you say that. You
I
know.
don't care what they do, why you shutting on the hand for the one.
Hey.
Alright, so you see what's going on? We outside, freaking in a circle crew. We up in Grande Riviere,
Type shit.
orange tree, all kind of thing. Herbs for the healing of the nation. Drill come up with the caster to catch fish. All we come to make videos. He like, what kind of fish you catch?
Catfish.
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 As all you
No,
can see,
you might catch a shark.
it have a set of fruits and vegetables in the wild, in the wilderness. You understand how it's supposed to naturally be?
Yeah.
You understand?
We're going on the road now, make sure and show them. Cameraman, Aaron.
Yeah, you got
Lincoln.
a for some tea too.
Yeah.
You sponsor the team.
That the guy sponsoring the team right now. Yeah.
But everything when you touching me and you feel like something flying on me, but my drag no touch my ears in it.
You're snake, you're paranoid.
Yeah, you're studying that snake.
You think that snake didn't touch you last time? No, you would not sleep.
Yeah?
Ask me
We're going to tell why? Humble, I know you why. What is it there today? Yeah, here, my why? Huh? Go and see if you get something today. Yeah.
I don't know what's Zion can him to get things to eat, but you know. But I will go back to San City.
Yeah. Freaking back, you know, son, he's a freaking back. So you forget your father, you getting how you feel like?
Oh, this only look deep in the night, boy. This shallow, boy. What they do? They block it off so much water. When run out, that's how it naturally is.
Block it off from a different side of things.
Right. Literally in paradise. I show you see now on the screen right now. We're in paradise now.
No, let me make it like we know, you know.
All my fellow co-workers, like, work hard. Yeah.
Work hard, play hard. You say work hard and dead.
That's what kind of cheese to say.
Work hard and squeeze.
Hey, go on, fighter.
I did.
It's right on the bed.
You'll be fast and watching all around your face. I remember I was walking here with all you can do the same thing and leave. All the decided
When the bridge, when they gonna cut the ribbon to open the bridges, we gonna do it.
Yeah, you coming to do that, eh? You gotta run out here. Let me check.
I don't know. We don't for that one though. This a plan.
You gotta know,
Nah, he went for some meals. I don't know.
You gotta reverse on him from all here. From all here, yeah, from all here. From all here. Look, you running from here.
Like, you're right.
Yeah, come real quick. Get this guy to the left. Make it this time. Yeah, leave.
That's crazy.
Yeah, really, I wanted to leave it up.
And is he bag you going for?
Yeah.
So he bagging.
I know.
Nah,
You know what I'm gonna say nothing because only this guy watch this video and know who saying that way. You know?
So you see get that.
You see nothing, dog. You don't come in the car.
When I tried to us last night, dog, you know I never even see that open beach ride.
I tell you, I
So I really know I see a
no,
sign, a
no,
kind of prohibited area,
Yeah.
prohibited sign now, boy.
think I was
But it was so dark.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that.
Miss Real thing coming up here. Miss
Miss
Sansa see
everything.
Miss Real thing. But it was too dark for the city. The beach now. And when you going back down, it's gonna be dark.
Yeah,
Same.
that,
You
I
won't
don't
see.
like to be come up here and
Yeah, when you go back down, you're not gonna see nothing here.
Daniel, is the thing last night?
Vibes to stay for 7 days.
Last night when we was passing there, right?
And you set
I
this
thought-
up here before I get fed up, bro.
I thought there was like trees, you know.
Yeah, that we tell her, it's a certain thing we can explain to her. That's because if you try to explain the night thought, they don't know what that's why they wake up in the morning and just see it.
Yeah, I want to play.
With the cheese. In the bag. Bro, buy a whole cheese out of the shop. Let me see the cheese now, boy. But show them the cheese now, boy. Cheese, that's how it. Let me zoom in on it. Quicksand cheese and shit, bro. Yeah, where you want to go?
We'll go back by the shop, boy. That's man if you are sinker, boy.
Yeah, like go now.
Hey, my cousin is a fisherman, but they walk and see me.
Yeah, you're supposed to get single right here.
Right.
Zan fit check, you know. Yeah, whatever it was called last slippers. The pants, the rip-up pants with the vest. And we have the self-made bandana on your head. Type shit. We had the permanent. The permanent band.
And I'll put on this.
Now put on the permanent band. You know,
grease it
type
up,
shit.
oil it.
Oil it up.
Oil the top because I don't know.
Hey. We are J first here. Fit check. Yeah.
He don't walk on fire.
We try with the Nike slippers, yeah, type shit. You know, we had the cartoon comic pants with the I guess the devil jersey. Yeah. And you know he could win either out because he had dreads now, you know them dread niggas.
You know the dread niggas fresh as dog, watch your pants, dog, unique shit, you understand? Like slippers. You understand, dog? Take it in. That's not
Take it in.
properly, man.
Hey.
You understand? Take his slipper. Don't mind this.
Yeah.
I'm saying that. Yo, we're gonna humble. Yo, man. Hey, you freaking casta is part of you get to.
Look at this.
Casa, yeah.
With the bottle. Yeah, take it there, What she did there? You understand, dog? Right? You understand? The little lanterns linking silver. So you show it real now by it and dip in gold. You understand? And you know, because we got any tough for the pink.
That's all I got.
Let me tell you check there. Ready for the check?
That's how it.
You start with slippers?
Yeah, start with the slippers, man.
The boo-goos.
Oh, God.
Right. Let me go again.
Yeah. So we are the original Gucci. Take this straight from the Gucci store.
Alright.
You know, we are the fluorescent
Da Vinci.
type shit.
Worth more than your whole life.
We have the vest from Dulce. No, wait, what?
Don't say nothing. Rattan's bigger. Ratatouille.
Yeah, and then we come up. We are the durag just there, you know. So sport the waves, no, but we have to flip it.
Ooh, I forget it.
Yeah,
Sling Pong Wong.
Yeah,
You understand? Straight out of Simple Express.
Yeah.
You don't know. Ice down. You understand? Yeah. And you have a lunch kit looking thing, but that was really hold the camera. And it's about that.
Yeah, you're telling all the people my secrets. So.
Now you're going into this beautiful beach here. You see how nice this beach is here. And only show them a little resort right here. Next to you.
Yeah. They saw it as open our bottle with a ring. So make sure it grip underneath. Just slide that.
This video is brought to you by Simple Express. Oh. You like a sports you can go on there. You know, you have seen.
The raw farm
Like
thing.
that time the beach and looking nice. The trail big too. Understand?
What?
See how big the beach is? Hardly anybody. You don't know around this time if you're going and hit a Maracas or something, you know what's going on? It crowded, dog. It crowded. It hardly a place and space. Watch this. Checking on here. You understand? It's only people from around here, dog. It's only villagers that be here and one or two tourists. Here is a place people don't really be. You understand? Try and visit Grande, Riviere. You can see some beautiful stuff. Plus you can see the turtles. You can see them nowhere else in the country. See some turtles coming up to lake. Like last night we see some baby turtles. Where does be? It was real nice. First time in my life I ever see any baby turtles. And we watch them go out to sea. We help one or two. It was a nice experience, it was a nice feeling. You understand? You know, when I run, if you ask me, I rate Rion kit 3 out of 10. You understand? Who go hold the kobo first, sir? You have 500?
Yeah.
You know, nobody holding that kobo.
500 to holy cover.
500 to Holy Kobo self.
So we seen.
That was 3 of them over there.
That's 3 away.
Yeah, that's 3 of us.
Nice 1500.
Nice 15. Let it go
If I
now.
hold your hand now, that counter.
You like her, man.
Hey, my back rail hurting me, but you don't know.
Why you back hurting your son?
My back hurting because I sleep bad.
No, I just know you're telling no.
no.
Well, you was telling me yesterday that
That man, the man copy back.
Yeah.
College, right? So then, I'm talking about, hey, you know what I saying? When I say that, I mean the man freak up my back on the construction work. I work hard and the man overwork me. I don't mean like what them fellas and them mean. Them is a especially freaking Rion. Joel is a Joel come out here to like man. Nah, but he probably sounds so, but all we outside, we in Grande. Things nice, all the scene, how the thing going.
And it's not what you see, it's how you see.
It's how you say it. And all they trying to make me sound freaking gay. So I had to take this camera.
Dog, you know if this was a beach, was Zan do be on right, you know, you'd have to say, dog, like walk quite down, so now.
Yeah.
I said, dog, you know if this was a beach, it was not accustomed to you, but I want to walk quite down, so.
No comment here, you see what I'm showing you, Rion? You see what I'm showing you? Look, the man saying on the cap alone. Radish, I know comment here, dog. But no, I was no comment there by Radish, boy. You know how to get on, so dog. I know comment here, boy. I know comment here. No, I comment.
Jessica, get out of the water.
Come on.
Dan. Jessica, no, get out of the water.
Jessica, no, you know you can swim. You are.
Well, you have anything or you want to see from us? Just wait, say some in the comments.
Yeah, so right now, we buy a house on the beach, also known as a beach house. We come to check the native people of the area.
They are tribals over here.
Right, so
There's part of the Caribs and the Arawaks.
this is the where the first people who ever come to move in Grande. This is where they started to live. And this is my virgin Cap here. Cap. Radish, I mean. Radish is part of the first Grande tribe. You know what I'm saying? You want to be like, that was the really saying that. Like I don't know what to say. I can't get the people no misinformation too.
Youths are the first tribe. First tribe that come in, the youths, we your offspring of them.
That's it.
Yeah, shit from Adam.
So I was saying, you have to touch it and make it look on your line yourself with your chest.
Right.
You double it nice.
I forget to tell you,
You go to the bus.
he
chair and the stool.
is the baddest coconut climber I have in Grande. This is the man that's climb up the coconut tree the fastest and come back down the fastest. If you're looking for a coconut climber,
Looking for a climber, all cut back.
to pay $50 a day.
$50.
He working for nothing less than 400, huh? Yeah. He working for nothing less than 400.
I'm going to do a few things too.
Yeah, now you can climb. You can come and think coconut.
There's Zan area here. So as you realize, you have a little more experience in these places. Me and Joel don't know shit.
Everybody know we, but we don't know them.
Type shit.
Yeah, so now it is for now.
Walk with your line, walk with your everything.
We catch some kobo and eat it.
I know what I want.
Breadfruit with a little fish with some flipping okra inside of it. It's called a gugu bread.
It's like the rarest thing you ever eat.
Like?
Yeah, like, what the weirdest thing you ever eat? Like, say you catch your cook.
Boy, I never eat snake and thing.
Nah.
You know what I mean? Like, I ain't gonna go off eating them things.
To be honest, I just be watching them kobo and I say, I wonder how them things does taste, right?
Might be poison for you, but.
Poison? Type shit.
That pig eating man, I mean, see that still.
Yeah, real.
Yeah, but remember, Kobo don't eat nothing that is good in it.
Yeah, just beating dentist, dead stuff. Yeah. Zan was looking at them thing too. Why you think we was running down the kobo and thing the rest now? Zan say you want cook it? Zan say you want cook it? Zan like to cook anything?
You know we are custom roasting breadfruit and things, right? Do you know how we function like this?
Hey, what's Sanos, boy?
Huh?
What's Sanos?
Sanos?
Yeah.
Radish. First to share, them fellas don't know country life. Them fellas see a yard lizard and ask him if they're going on. Yeah, them fellas.
Boy, you should stop lying with name.
That's on them recall, because the first time though, that guy so
Scraping the cheese in that.
go barbecue at
Yeah.
Saturday, dog. You go barbecue at it.
Scraping the cheese, man. Hey.
You go barbecue. I'll go barbecue at it.
Yeah, real.
Son.
Type shit.
So that we dog. I was telling dog. I was telling them dog is we was going to do that like from
We're sticking for eat your thing.
Don't watch man. I want my hips on cheese item. My hips on cheese.
Yeah, I'll really tell him to come. When we come up here, dog,
Yeah.
I'll show you gonna do what I do. When we leave. When we leave Shogun, that's what I do, dog.
Buy KFC? Yeah.
You can buy something.
Of course.
In the city.
Yeah, of course I'm going to buy some.
You understand? You see that KFC box today, dog?
Yeah.
That KFC box is probably one of our 100 in Tuku right now.
Real.
I swear, dog, that KFC box is a rare box.
I like it.
Yeah.
To come up with different ideas all the time.
Yeah, I got a crowd on them. God, I feeling like him. Boy, yeah, bad music video. Easy man, Zan. Oh shit. You know if you cut yourself with this rusty ass boot, you're dead. You know that? Hey guys, so you know we just do it in a circle already. Out here to record some vids. Just know we gonna use this boat. We don't know what we gonna do with it as yet, but we gonna use this boat for 1 hour video. So you might don't see it already, I don't. But it is what it is. Oh shit. Hey, if I fall along here with this camera, it's gonna be very crazy. Come on. Fighting for my life. Yeah.
We're gonna jail then.
We have to go and meet him on that. I don't know. I ain't seen him taking no fish. He said he was going to
Probably
go
gonna catch a freaking catfish. Taking part in this sport for me.
I really gonna wet up my whole self. I wasn't expecting that big wave to catch me there.
But it was for the videos and the pictures.
Yeah, now the thing is the photos come on real good. Series on the beat.
Series on the beat, all they don't know. Follow up, link up, like up, in a circle, we outside. I just ain't feeling to sing no song. Real, I ain't singing no song.
I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots. Now we're running out of fuel, so f*** a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna f*** me cause she know I get guac. I hit the jackpot, and you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they